Anthony real quick. And we're done with grammar. I'll start by saying that, but we need to get out a clean piece of big white paper. So look in the back of your binder. You should have a piece of the big white paper.
So very bad.
At the back pocket. Yep, one of those. Just get one. Just put the other one back. You only need one. And then you need to get out week 18. So for Amber and Anthony that are watching this recording, Genevieve didn't get a chance to start this yet. I know I had to cancel class last week, so hopefully you guys all watched the recording. But yes, the first thing, let's fold that first, okay? So you need a big white paper from the back, and you're gonna fold it this way first. So when it's open, it's like this, and then you're gonna fold it this way, okay? I call it the taco fold.
Oh. Hot dog, it's your own little innovation.
Taco, my own little innovation, yes. You have to kind of force it against that fold there. Yep, like that. You got it. Fold it like that.
My mom taught me how to crease because her grandma taught her how to crease. You get your nail and like in the paper, your thumbnail is like this, and it's just your finger on that part, and you run it across.
Yeah, you run it across. Yep, that's right. And then after you fold that one that way, then you're gonna fold it in thirds. Did you get a paper cut?
No, I just, it was like really hot when I ran it across. So
Oh.
I was like, wow, hot.
So fold it past the middle like that. And then look what happens to the other side. The other side goes on top of that. Okay.
It's like a
yeah, it folds over the top of it, and then when you crease it, it makes a square.
So you just fold
One side and then the other side on top of it. So go like halfway, a little past halfway, and then fold the other side on top of that. Yeah, that looks right, like that. That looks good. And then the other side goes on top of that. That's thirds. Yep. Okay, and then open it up flat again, like this. And remember, if you ignore that middle crease, you're gonna see 3 boxes on top and 3 on the bottom. Just ignore the middle crease.
It's an accidental crease.
Well, it's from being in your binder. It's just how it was stored in there.
No, I like folded it and then I like it, so.
Well, you get the idea, right? You want 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. Okay, so let's set this up. This is from last week, so I'm catching you up from last week. So what I want you to do is put an A here, and then Roman numeral 1, and 1 through 4 like this, and then 4 is going to have parentheses around it like that. Okay, so in the top left box, you got 3 boxes on top and 3 on the bottom, right? That's the way you're supposed to have it, so it's wide. Okay. Roman numeral 1, 1 through 4. 4 is in parentheses. We put it in parentheses because it's there if you need it, but it's optional. Okay, you have to have 3 backs here. All right, then move over to the middle box.
I have 4 boxes on top.
Oh yeah, you didn't fold the paper right. So you should only have 3 boxes on top. So you might have to just kind of go somewhere in the middle of your paper, that middle crease, and just put a B there. So you need 3 spots, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay. I think I drew an extra line.
Okay. Can you make it work, or do you want to start over?
Yeah, I can make it work.
Okay. Okay, cool. So B.
Yeah, I have 3 big boxes. 3 boxes.
Okay, good. And underneath B, you're going to do the same thing, Roman numeral 1, and then 1 through 4 again, like that. Make sure you kind of space them out so you have room to write.
Oh my goodness, that square was terrible. Looks like a hexagon.
It's hard to do it on Zoom because I couldn't really see what you were doing, but anyway.
Yeah, this is my idea of a square, I guess.
Oh.
It's like optical.
All right, did you write B and then Roman numeral 1, 1 through 4?
I'm writing A.
Okay,
Because
I'll
I
wait
was
till you
dealing
catch
with my
up.
paper.
Let me know when you catch up, okay? I'll wait for you.
1 through 4.
Yep, just like what you see on the screen there.
Okay, and then B 1 through 4.
Yep.
And then parentheses around 4.
And then parentheses around 4.
10. Done.
Okay, good. Now go to the third box over and we're going to put C here. Okay, so put a C with a box around it, Roman numeral 1 again, and then 1 through 4, like that again. Same thing, parentheses.
Oh my goodness, Miss C. It's like
I know.
it's bigger than the box.
Oh.
It's actually like it's like this big. Oh,
You got this.
I really don't.
Yes, you do. I believe in you. You can do this. You're cracking me up right now. All right, got it? And then under B on the bottom part, I want you to put again fused outline. Fused outline. And the fused outline is going to have Roman numeral 1 again, and this time we're going to do 1 through 6. And the word clincher.
Clincher.
Yep. Got it? Okay, then
Yep.
under C, over here, we're going to do something else in this box. Under C,
Oh,
yes, I want you
like
to put,
different.
it's a little bit different. Yep. I want you to put the words possible topics, okay, and
I think
underline.
I've heard that before.
So I want to talk to you just for a minute about when you write a paper, like a research paper, let's say, let's pretend you're going to do a paper about volcanoes and you need to find a lot of different sources. So when you find sources, what are some places, where are some places you can actually find information about volcanoes?
Probably book.
Book, a
Research.
book, what else?
Research.
On
like
a website, maybe?
Yeah, like careful internet research.
Yep, careful internet research. That's good. So a book, maybe the internet, maybe a documentary on
Yeah.
volcanoes. You could watch that. Maybe you
Yeah.
can talk to a scientist who knows about volcanoes. You could interview them. So basically, when you do a research project, there's lots of places where you can find
Or
information.
you could go and look at one in person.
You can go and look at
Or
one
look
in
at a
person.
live video of
Yes, yes, you can.
Blech.
So for us, though, because we have this binder, it comes with the articles already for us. So we have 3 different articles. I know it's kind of cool. It's all right there. We have 3 different articles to look at, and we're going to learn about the people of the desert. So that's the subject of your paper, is the people of the desert. Now, we're going to learn about 2 different types of people of the desert. So let's look at week 18. Go ahead and get out week 18 from your binder. It starts on page 151.
Oh, my mom has it in here.
You already got it out?
No, no. I'm saying I hope my mom has it in here.
Oh, you hope your mom has it in there. It's page 151. It's called People of the Desert. This is what we talked about
People
last
of the
week.
desert, I found it.
Okay, you're gonna get out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Okay, so 151, 153, 155, 157, and 159.
So I don't need like the people of the desert suggested daily breakdown.
Well, you don't necessarily need that. I usually take it out with it just because it goes
So
with it.
I need
But no,
6 pages.
that is 6 pages counting that page. Yes. Yep. Actually, 5 pages counting that page. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5 pages counting that page, okay?
Huh, okay. I grabbed an extra page then. I'll look
Yeah,
into it.
you don't need the one that says week 19. You don't need that one. So you can leave that in there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I in advance got out the one for next week called Animal Racing to put in my front pocket.
Okay, just
You know
don't
what
get
I
it
mean?
mixed up. I worry about that when you do that, Genevieve, because you might get them mixed up. So just make sure you keep it all together and safe in there. Okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a post-it and write like next week's date on it.
Okay. But you got out People of the Desert, though?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. After you write your post-it, I want you to find this page, page 153 from today's work.
What's next week's date?
Um, let me look.
I think it's the 13th or the
It is the 13th, yes. So
yeah.
May
Okay.
13th. Okay. On this article, page 153, I want you to put an A with a box around it like that. Remember when we did that about the desert tortoises? We're keeping everything
Oh.
organized. Yeah. So remember, A goes with A right here. Okay. These go together. So the information you find from A, we're going to put under the outline for A.
Okay. Yeah.
So this one's called Nomadic Peoples of the Sahara Desert. You see that? Okay, I'll wait till you catch up.
Nomadic peoples of the Sahara Desert. Yes, I see it.
Page
Wow, we're
153.
really learning a lot about the Sahara Desert.
Yeah, we are learning a lot about the
Yeah,
Sahara Desert. It's
it's like
true.
the center of the entire binder.
It does feel like that a little bit.
It's what the whole world is evolving around.
Okay, did you write an A on top of that? And do you know what that word nomadic means?
It's static?
Nomadic. No-
Um,
Nomadic peoples.
is it like different colored people?
A little bit, but it's more about that they don't have a home per se. They
Oh,
travel all the time in the desert with their camels and with their things. They travel. So they don't really have a home to go to every night.
oh, so they're
They
nomads.
travel. They're called nomads. Yes. So nomadic peoples are people nomads that travel. So do you see that word in the very first sentence? It says Bedouin right here. Do you see that word Bedouin?
Yeah, I do.
Go
I feel
ahead
like I've
and
heard that before.
circle that. That's the name of those specific nomad people. And then I want you to skip down to the bottom here. And do you see in the next paragraph the word Tuareg? It's right here after the word the. Circle Tuareg. So we've got two people we're learning about in the Sahara Desert, the Bedouin people and the Tuareg people.
Tuareg. Okay,
You
I'm
see
looking at the
it?
Tuareg.
Yeah.
Oh, the Tuareg are nomadic people of the Sahara Desert.
Yes, so just circle the word Tuareg and circle the word Bedouin on that page. And then I want you to go back to your white paper
Okay.
and I want you to write down, I want you to copy those down, the names of those
Oh,
people.
wrong white paper. Mhm.
The one we just set up, okay?
Bedouin. On
Bedouin. Mm-hmm.
on possible topics.
Under possible topics, put Bedouin,
How do you spell that?
Bedouin. And then you're going to put a capital A next to it because we just looked at Article A and it talked about the Bedouin people. So we found it in Article A
Okay, and
like
then
that.
I put a box around it.
Oh, here, I can zoom in. Are you able to see it okay?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Underneath Bedouin, I want you to write the other name of the people, which is Tuareg. It's Tuareg. And then put a capital A next to that one too, because both of those people were in Article A that we just looked at.
Yeah. I
Okay.
never want to travel in a desert. It's so hot and you like can't really do anything about it.
All
But
right, now
instead, out here, we can just come into our AC.
go ahead and find page 155 now. This is the next article. This one's called African Nomads. Do you see that?
Yes.
At the top of this one, I want you to put a B with a box around it. And remember, B goes with B on your outline. See how they match. So B and B, they go together. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, I see it.
All right. And now we're going to look for those names again. The first paragraph in this article talks about the Bedouin people. So circle Bedouin again. In Article B,
Man, they're popular.
yes, this paragraph is talking about Bedouin. And then jump down to the next paragraph and you'll see Tuareg.
Correct.
Uh-huh. Circle that.
I'm learning.
That's good. So
I'm like, uh-oh.
those both of those people are in Article B. So here now I want you to go back to possible topics, and we're going to put a comma and a B because guess what? The Bedouin and the Tuareg are in Articles A and B. Both of those, A and B, A and B. After you write that down, you're going to find Article C.
Oh,
Yep, Article
more.
C is on this page, 157. Yeah, you're learning how to do research now. So this is going to be a lot to keep track of, but you got this. You got this. Article, or this is page 157. It's called the Bedouin and the Tuareg.
Circle it again.
Put a C in a box on that one. And no, now you can see, look at this. Article C goes with this
Bedouin.
outline C. C and C, they go together. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Now you're going to circle again. Circle Bedouin in the first paragraph.
yeah. Circle Tuareg.
Circle Tuareg in the second paragraph. Now you're getting it.
Yeah.
And
I just
now,
go ahead and do all the pages?
yep. And then you're going to do a comma and a C right here. Because guess what? The Bedouin was in Article A, B, and C. And so was
gosh, I
Tuareg.
finally got a tiny C.
And after you write down that, I want you to circle Bedouin. Circle that one. We're going to start with writing about the Bedouin people first. Okay, so go ahead and circle that with the A, B, and C.
Are you playing favorites?
No, we're going to write about both of them. I just picked that one first because it was listed first.
I don't think it's your favorite.
No, I like them both. Okay, now next to, you got to listen, Genevieve, next to the Roman numeral 1, I want you to write the word Bedouin. You're going to know how to spell this because you're going to write it next to the, under A, Roman numeral 1, and under B, Roman numeral 1, and under C, Roman numeral 1, and under the fuse. So we're going to put Bedouin, 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 Bedouin. On the fused outline, after you write Bedouin, I want you to do 2 blank lines after it, okay? We're going to decide what to write there later, but I want you to get it ready so you can remember to put something there. All right? After you get that written down, now we're going to go back to...
So I write Bedouin on all of the ABC?
A, B, C, and fused on Roman numeral 1.
Okay. Sorry, I'm a very slow writer.
That's okay. You got it. Now, after you write that down, I want you to go back to Article A where we put the A on top, because remember I said A goes with A like that. And the first topic that you're going to write about is the Bedouin people. So we're only going to read those paragraphs first. Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm going to read this paragraph here on A, and you're going to look for 3 or 4 facts to underline about the Bedouin people. And if you underline more than that, that's okay, but at least get 3 or 4.
Is that why 4 was in parentheses?
Yeah, if you need 4, you can use it. If you only need 3, that's okay too.
I put my
So,
paper like this so I can read it.
okay, I'm going to read it and then you focus on underlining, okay? All right. In the Sahara Desert of Africa live Bedouin nomads. A nomad is a member of a people or tribe that moves from place to place. Bedouins have traditionally survived by raising herds, camels, goats, and sheep. However, these nomads stay in the valleys during winter to plant crops. They move to the highland pastures during summer. If there is plenty of grass for the animals, the Bedouins' winter camps might consist of 3 to 15 tents. Bedouin groups make their tents out of black goat hair. The tents only have a few things like pillows, carpets, goat hair mats, and cushions. Bedouins are always on the move, so they cannot have too many heavy items to carry on their journeys.
I like that, yeah.
Interesting, huh? So did you get to underline 3 or 4 things?
Um, no, maybe could you like read it again and then this time I didn't know I was supposed to underline, so I thought we were just reading through it.
Why don't you just look, since I already read it, just look with your eyes and pick 3 facts to underline, okay?
Yeah.
Or 4. Yeah, just look at it really. I just read it. So look at 3 or 4 different facts about them. Remember, some sentences have more than one fact. So
Yeah.
focus on finding 3 or 4 facts and underline. Let me know when you found them.
My mom um said I can't like have one sentence and break it up into 2 lines on like the paragraph thing. Are we allowed to do that? Like one sentence broken up
Yes.
into 2 lines.
If one sentence has a lot of information in it, you can break it up into 2 things on your outline. That's okay. So,
Oh,
yeah, that's okay. So try
okay,
to
I'll let her
find,
know.
okay. So go ahead and start underlining 3 or 4 different facts there.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead and do
Um,
that by
what?
yourself real quick.
I have 2 already.
Good. Okay. Just 1 more or 2 more. It depends on what you find there. Got it?
I have
Okay. So
5.
what is, okay. So one of them you won't use, but what is the first thing that you underlined about the Bedouin people?
Well, I underlined Bedouins have traditionally survived by raising herds, camels, goats, and sheep.
Okay. So how can we put that in 3 words or symbols, abbreviations?
Maybe I don't know what we can do for tradition, but maybe we could do BDN for Bedouin, or
Well,
just
we
that
know
part
we're
already.
writing about Bedouin, so I don't think we need to worry about that one.
Okay,
But
then we could do
what's
survive
okay?
raising um sea G, and S.
Yeah, you could put survived raising herds. That's your 3 words, and then do CGS. I like that idea.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that.
So survived raising, oops, herds, and then we could put circles around them, like a C with a circle like we used to do for camel, and G for goats, and S for sheep, like that.
Yeah, I went a little over into um B, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Try to squeeze it in small if you can, but that's
Yeah,
okay.
my box. Oh my goodness. My 1, 2, 3, and 4 are in like the very like late middle of the paper, so
That's
this
all
is
right.
why.
What is another thing that you underlined on that article A?
Um, A. I have like a billion papers.
I know it's a lot.
Like I have to go back and forth, so they're all like everywhere.
Yeah,
Um,
that's why we label them so you can keep track of them.
yeah.
Okay.
So, my second one is if there is plenty of grass-fed animals, the Bedouins' winter camps may consist of 3 to 15 tents. Uh,
Okay.
and so what I did was I did this. Um, so like this, so that the reader or so that I later will know that those twos are the same paragraph, even if
Okay.
it like, keeps going. So I don't think it's like two paragraphs.
Yeah,
Look
I
at the
think you
back.
mean,
There's a picture.
yeah, there is a picture on the back.
It's
Hold on, go back to what you were looking at. That's a pretty long sentence. I think if you just do the second half of it, that would be easier, where it says winter camps might consist of 3 to 15 tents. You could do winter camps 3 to 15 in numbers and then tents. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I wouldn't even worry about the other plenty of grass for the animals. I
Yeah, I'll
wouldn't
just
worry about
cross
that
it out.
part. Yeah. Winter camps. And it said 3 to 15 tents.
And it's not like if I don't remember anything, I can't go back and look.
You can go back and look if you need to.
Yeah.
Yes. I
Like
need
look
you
at
to
details, like if I don't know what like
I need you to work a little
grass.
bit faster, Genevieve. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I'm trying to catch you up and it's taking too long, so try to work a little faster, okay? Go ahead and write down winter camps, 3 to 15 tents there. I'm sorry to rush you, but I really want to we need to catch up. We have a lot to do.
Okay, so what do I write for the
Number 2, under A should be winter, comma, camps, comma, 3 to 15 tents. That's what you said you had on your
okay.
paper. Okay, and then what was the next thing you underlined?
Um, Bedouin groups make their tents out of black goat hair.
Good, I like that.
Might
So
be
how can we
short.
put that on the outline here?
Make
Okay,
10
okay,
G hair.
okay. Good, I like that, Genevieve. Good job.
Thank
Let's
you.
stop there. I don't think we need to worry about the 4, but we're gonna move on to
Oh,
B.
that was my fourth one.
Oh, that's
The
fine.
black goat hair.
That's fine. I want you to find Article B now, and that is the one that's on page 155.
Okay, that's all.
Got that?
Another picture.
Yes, on the back. Did you find 155?
Yes.
I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to read that paragraph and let's just focus on finding 3 facts, okay? So this time, as I'm reading it, Genevieve, I want you to underline 3 things. Got it? Do you understand? So this time I'm going to read it and you're going to underline 3 things. You're on mute all of a sudden.
Yeah, I was
Oh,
plugging
okay.
headphones.
I'm going to read it. You underline 3 facts.
Okay.
Bedouin nomads live in the Sahara Desert. During the summer, they migrate, living in black goat hair tents. Now, you already wrote about black goat hair tents, so you're looking for different things this time, okay? So don't underline that one. Look for something different. In winter, they stay in the valleys. Some prefer to live under canopies that can be completely closed when it is cold. The Bedouin eat mostly dairy, dates, and rice. Using the stars in the clear desert skies to guide them, these nomads travel at night. They are so accurate that they are often asked to help find lost tourists in the desert. The Bedouin use camels to carry their possessions and horses to carry themselves. This nomadic group has more than 160 words for camel. Depending on the camel's size, age, and gender, most families only have a few camels, but the chiefs own more than 1,000. Okay, did you get to underline 3
I
different
underlined
facts?
a lot of things.
So you have to just kind of not use all of them. You're going to have to just pick 3 of your favorites. Okay. What do you want to put first here?
Okay, so first I want to put we already know the field in the Sahara Desert, so we won't need that. That was the first one I did.
Okay.
Okay, so some prefer to live under canopies.
Okay.
Okay, so
Some prefer to live under, okay. What do you want to
some
put?
prefer live, and how do you draw a canopy?
How about um,
Maybe I'll just do other ones because then it's like not as much information as if I had said they live in black goat hair tents.
okay, yeah, let's pick something different then. That's a
Yeah.
good idea.
Okay. Ooh, this is my favorite. The Bedouin eat mostly dairy, dates, and rice.
Oh, okay. So, we could do a Pac-Man symbol for eat. That's
Oh
pretty easy to
yeah.
draw. Yeah, like that.
So easy.
And then we just write dairy, dates, and rice.
What? My Pac-Man has a huge mouth. That's right.
Yeah. And then I just put dairy, dates, and rice.
Eat dairy, date. Oh, that's it. Wait a minute.
Okay, good. Now, what is something else you want to write down?
My pen is gliding.
Keep going. I know, keep going. We got to focus. What is the next thing you underline there?
The next thing I underlined is the nomads travel at night.
Yes. And they use the stars to guide them. I think that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I think maybe we could also do they are so accurate, but th that they are often asked to help find lost tourists. Kind
So
of
how about
scary
we put
though.
travel and then night and then let's do stars. Let's do some stars and then guide. Like that. Travel, night, stars, guide. So they travel at night and they use the stars to guide them. You could do a star like a plus sign and then an X over the top of it if that's easier for you. That's
Yeah, I'm terrible at
easy
drawing
way.
stars. I just kind of do
Yeah,
like kind of like
that's
a
fine.
pointy thingy.
That's fine. All right, and
I don't
then
know if
one,
you can I can even call it a star. It looks more like a Periodius thingy.
it's okay. As long as you know what it is, that's all that matters.
I don't know if I will.
You will. And then you said you liked that they help lost tourists.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put that for 3. Help lost tourists. I bet it's really dark out there at night because there's no city lights or anything.
So
So,
travel at night, that was my third one.
oh, okay.
You know what? I can fix all this. I can get.
Oh, you don't need to erase it. Okay.
I'm using pen. I was just gonna change the order.
Do you see how mine is right here? Can you see mine?
Yeah.
Look at mine really quick. 1 is eat dairy dates rice. 2 is travel night star guide. 3 is help lost tourists.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah, that is an aggressive 4.
That's okay. Go on to C now. We got to finish up C. So find article C next. Okay.
Okay, hold on. I have to write. Can I see your
Oh,
paper again?
okay. There you go. Finish that.
Travel night guide. How do you spell guide?
Guide. And then help, comma, lost, and then tourists. You want me to spell tourist for you?
Sure.
Tourists.
Done. Okay.
Okay, now go on to
Forest.
C.
Forest made me think of my grandparents who are coming from
Wait,
Washington.
wait, we got to keep going. Okay, so
Oh,
find Article C. I'm so sorry, Genevieve. I want to make sure you get this done. Go to Article C, and C is going to go with C, remember?
yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to read this one now, and you're going to look for 3 facts. Got it?
Okay. Sounds
Okay,
good.
so underline 3 different things here in C. One of the nomadic groups in the Sahara Desert is called the Bedouin. Some of the people now drill for water in the desert, but others have to stay 40 miles away from the nearest source of water. A few households have solar refrigerators that their camels carry during journeys. A refrigerator is important for storing vaccines. The Bedouin earn money by selling or trading their animals in towns. Then they obtain coffee, rice, and other foods the desert cannot provide. The Bedouin are able to use the wool and skin from their goats to make their own clothes, bags, and sandals. Since the 1950s, some of the Bedouin have been moving to cities because they want the benefits such as better health care, higher paying jobs, and education for their children. Interesting, huh?
Yeah, I have 2 facts.
Okay, what do you have?
I have 3 now.
Okay, good.
Okay. So I have some of the people now drill for water in the desert, but others have to stay 40 miles away from the nearest source of water.
Okay, yeah, that's a big one. So I would break that up into 2. So maybe you could say, um, now drill water, maybe for one source, for one fact. Now drill water.
Or maybe we could just like find a different one because then I would have to.
You
I
can
don't
find
know.
a different one if you want. Go ahead and find a
Yeah.
different one.
A few households have solar refrigerators,
Okay,
and I'll just to have only that.
okay. So how do you want to write that one?
Maybe like my mom always like says like a few means 3, a couple means 2. Like if I say
Yeah,
that means 2, so maybe like 3.
I don't think you need the word few. I wouldn't worry about that because there's probably more than 3, but I would say households, solar refrigerators.
Oh yeah,
You want to just do that?
yeah.
Okay, so households,
Oh, I did it on number B, on B.
Oh, yeah,
I don't have anything for 4 on B.
that's okay. We're just focusing on 3 so we can get this ready for you to write.
Okay.
All right, so I put household solar refrigerators.
Um,
Okay, good. So what's another fact that you underlined?
Another fact that I underlined is the Bedouin are able to use the wool and skin from their goats to make their own clothes, beds, and sandals.
Okay,
Okay.
so maybe we could just do like skin and then G. You like that idea? Then we could do clothes, bags, and maybe draw a sandal.
Okay. Skin. Or
Do you want to talk about
do-
the,
what if we do G skin?
okay, you could do that. G skin, clothes, bags, and then we could draw a little sandal like a flip-flop or something.
Skin. What did they say? Bed. Clothes.
I don't know how to draw a flip-flop.
No. I'd say, okay, I'll teach you. So you do like a long U
Okay.
and then close it off at the top. So like a big oval. And then you kind of do like a little, like kind of like a cross like this down the middle. And then maybe do like little patterns on it.
Okay, I think mine's okay, but go ahead and you do it. Draw yours so you know what it is.
Throw pinky toes on it too.
And then number 3, what was your third thing?
Um, I'm just gonna write sandal on it. Or maybe we could just draw a normal shoe. I'm just gonna draw shoe.
Okay,
Don't listen to me. I don't know how to draw.
it's okay.
Just drawing a boot with some laces. Nah, boot with a zipper. Hold on. Can I show you my boot?
Oh yeah, there you go. That's a good one. All right, we need one more fact and then we're done with the A, B, and C.
Woo. Just like we're done with fix it.
What's one more fact you have on C?
Ow, ow. Well, my hand is
You
squeezing
gotta
me.
hurry, okay? So look for your third fact.
My third fact is since the 1950s, some of the Bedouin have been moving to cities because they want benefits such as better health care, higher paying jobs, and education for their children.
How about we do some move cities.
Okay. Some move cities. I don't have to draw skyscraper.
And maybe a dollar sign for like better paying jobs, maybe. We could put that symbol there just to represent, for better paying jobs. Okay.
My mom One. It was like dollar signs.
Okay, so when you're
Was it
done with that, I'm
actually?
going to go kind of quick now. I'm going to help you with the fused, okay? So go down to the fused, and this is where we have two spots here. This is where we can call them nomad people. So go ahead and put nomad here and people here. That's telling who the Bedouin people are. They are nomad people, okay? And then this is where you are going to pick what facts from A, B, and C that you want to put down here on the fused. Okay, so what facts do you want to write down here? From A, B, and C, you're going to copy. So tell me which one you want to copy first from A, B, or C. Which fact do you want to put first?
I want to put survived by raising herds.
Yeah, I like that. So under A1, we're going to copy that fact. Here, copy the same thing. So you're going to put survived raising herds and then CGS.
Survived raising herd on CGS.
Yeah.
Done. Bada bing,
Okay.
bada boom.
Now you're going to cross out that number up here under A because we copied it already. Okay. We got that one. Cross out number 1. And now go on to what other fact?
I'm sorry, what? We have to cross out one?
Cross out number 1 under A right here because we copied it. It's on the fused outline. So we used it already. We can cross it out. Now, since you're talking about the animals, I recommend looking for another fact on here about the animals. It can be from either A, B, or C,
Okay.
but keep your facts together if you're talking about the
Make
animals.
tents from goat hair.
Yes, I like that. So let's copy make, copy that here, make, comma, tense, comma, G, hair. That's good. Good job, Genevieve.
And then I'm gonna draw the
Cross
back.
that out because we used that one already.
Then I'm drawing the back of somebody's head.
Okay, and then let's do one more fact about the animals. I see one more.
How about winter camp
No, that's not really talking about
Oh, I know. From A or from both?
from either A, B, or C, any of them. Do you see any others
Yeah.
about goats?
Yeah. Um, um, they eat cherry dates and rice.
Yeah, but that's not about the goats,
Oh,
though.
goat skin, bags, and clothes.
Yes, that one under C. Let's copy that one next. Okay, so write down what you have there. I have skin, G. I think you did G skin, clothes, bags, and then we're going to draw that little shoe or sandal.
I don't know if I can copy that. Yours looks a lot better than mine.
You can copy it best you can. It's okay as long as you know what it means. And then cross out 2 from that one. So
Oh, that shoe looks so good.
so basically what you're doing is you're taking all the different facts you collected from A, B, and C, and you're going to group them together and mix them up in the fused. That's what you're working on. So we're done talking about the goats. So next you can talk about how what they eat or how they travel at night. What would you like to put next?
What they eat.
Okay, so that would be here under B, right? I think that's the only one you put. So let's copy B1 with the Pac-Man face and then dairy, dates, rice.
Pac-Man face.
And then cross that one out after you copy that one down.
Pac-Man. It looks like he's sad because he's too full.
Did
I
you copy
call
it
him
already?
I call him Mr. Glutton.
All right. Did you already copy that one?
Okay, Pac-Man. Skin bags. Oh wait, no. Dairy dates and rice. I love rice.
Okay. So what do you want? You have two more spots left. You can talk about the two parts under B about traveling at night and helping lost tourists. Those kind of go together. Or you can talk about how they carry solar refrigerators and maybe how they move, some of them move to the cities. So what two facts do you want to put for the end here for 5 and 6? You're muted.
How they carry solar refrigerators.
Okay. So, yeah, let's do that. Households, solar, copy that one. Households, solar, refrigerator.
How do you spell household? I always forget.
HOUSE
HOUSEHOLD.
HOLDS. Yep, households.
Household. Household. Solar. And is fridges an abbreviation?
Yeah, you could do that. Okay, and then what do you want to put for your last fact?
Fridges.
You could pick any of those that are left. What do you want to put for your last fact that are left at the top, A, B, or C?
I kind of want to write a, I want to make a, well, I want to write about like some move to big cities because I feel like they've had their journey, now they want to start a new chapter in a better city
Okay.
and close it out.
Okay. Some move cities and then put money there. And that's because they can get jobs in the cities. That's good. Okay, write that down.
Cities, cities, money.
Okay, now I want you to cross out C, cross out B, and cross out A. Cross out all the top. And then I want you to put a big circle around the fused. That is what you're using to write your paragraph. Only the fused. It's one paragraph here, okay? Now what I want you to do is cross out Bedouin over here.
Okay.
And then I want you to circle Tuareg.
Wait, you want me to stuff up a going right there.
Cross out Bedouin because you already finished that one. Now I want you to write Tuareg. Got that? Or I mean, circle it. ABC, Tuareg, ABC.
But
Got it?
yeah, my sister has a dentist appointment really, really soon. So
Oh, you have to go?
I don't have to go right now, but
I'm almost done. Turn your paper over to the back, Genevieve, and then I want you to set this up for Roman numeral 2 because I'm trying to catch you up to what you're missing.
yeah,
Okay.
I'm sorry. It's just been a huge week for us.
It's okay. So A and then Roman numeral 2 this time on the back, and then 1 through 4, like we did on the front. Okay. Same thing like we did on the front. And this time I want you to put Tuareg. For instead of Bedouin, now you're going to write about the Tuareg.
Okay, and then oh yeah.
Got it? And
How do
then
you spell that?
B is Tuar
Tuareg.
EG.
Oh, EG.
Yeah.
Tuareg.
Okay. And then do B, Roman numeral 2 again. And then 1 through 4. and you're going to write Tuareg again there next to the Roman numeral 2, like that. Okay, so do B next.
Okay, yep.
And then you're going to do C, same thing. C, Roman numeral 2, Tuareg, 1 through 4.
Two, U. How do I not know how to write this by now?
Tuareg.
Areg.
And
Ready.
then under the B, you're going to put fused
Outline.
outline and Roman numeral 2 and Tuareg again. Hopefully you know how to spell it now.
Hopefully.
And then 2 blank lines. And this time
Ugh.
it's 1 through 6, 5, 6, and then clincher. Okay.
Okay.
After you write that down, listen carefully. I'll wait till you're done writing. I'm going to tell you what your homework is.
All the way to 5 or what? Oh yeah, 5, 6.
Uh-huh.
Done.
Okay. So first thing you're going to do, Genevieve, is use that to write one paragraph about Bedouin people. And
Okay.
then you're going to fill out this side exactly like you did with the Bedouin people, but this time you're going to look at what I'm showing you. You're going to go to A again, and this time you're going to read the Tuaregs paragraph, find
Okay.
3 facts, do the same thing we just did for Bedouin, but you're going to do it for the Tuareg people. So A goes with A, and then B goes with B. Yep, right here. See that? You're going to look for the Tuareg people down here. B and B. And then C and C. Right? About the Tuareg people, which is down here. Okay, look at the screen. After you fill in A, B, and C, that's for the Tuareg people, right? On each of those articles. Then you're going to combine in the fused again. Okay, so look up here for a second.
Yeah, I was trying to like write it all down so I don't get mixed up.
Okay, so you're going to combine A, B, and C again on the fused for the Tuareg people, just like you did for the Bedouin. That's its own paragraph. Now you're going to do this side, fill in the fused for the second paragraph about the
Okay.
Tuareg people, and make sure when you copy down the facts, you keep the facts together like we did for the Bedouin. So if you're talking about the tents and you have more than one fact about the tents, keep those together. If you have facts about like what they eat, keep those facts together. So make it flow. Does that make sense when you're copying down the facts here?
Yeah, okay.
Got
And
it? Okay.
yeah, and do you think you could send the video to me too? So if I get mixed up, I can go back and look.
So I always put the video on the Google Classroom, so it'll be there for you too.
Oh, I
Yeah,
thought
you
you
can
put it on
find it.
YouTube.
I do. I put it on YouTube, but then I put a link on Google Classroom so you can find it.
Okay, what type
And
of
make sure you read all the instructions on the Google Classroom on how to do the homework, okay? I put everything on there for you.
Oh yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. I'll see you next week then.
Um, next week? I thought this was our last class.
No, our last class is going to be on May 27th. So
Oh,
we
okay,
have
I'm
3
gonna
more
write that
classes.
down.
May
Okay.
27th is the last class.
Mom, May 27th is the last class.
Platform that you can make it to. So
Oh.
try and do all the assignments you can. Your grandparents are coming and this is their last one you're gonna make it to.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna try to do everything I can for like homework and writing, but I will not be able to make it to the classes because my grandparents and my sister has something going on. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, so I'll see
Okay.
you next semester.
Okay, that sounds good, Genevieve. All right, you have a good summer then, okay?
Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.